This is my update for changing the key fob battery in a 2019 Honda Civic. I think this is a simpler, easier way requiring nothing other than the new battery and the key fob. This is how to change the battery in a 2019 Honda Civic. Take your key fob, release the key. Using the key, stick it in that hole where it goes and give it a little twist to open up the case. Carefully pry open the case, and you will see it uses a single CR 2032 battery, very common. I find it easiest to remove the battery by using your thumbnail or fingernail to sort of pry back on the tabs just a little bit. You don't want to break them. By the same time, you take your other fingernail and get it underneath the battery, and it'll come right out. Now, to install a new battery, you simply take the new battery, make sure it's face up. That's the side with the plus or the side with all the writing. Just press it into place. Take the cover. Make sure this doesn't fall out. That could fall out over time. You just make sure it's back in where it should be in the slot. And then starting from the bottom, I find I just squeeze it shut. Make sure it's squeezed shut all the way around. And there you go. There should be no seam. You insert your key, and you're done.